Welcome to this daily happiness meditation. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position, gently closing your eyes and taking a deep breath in. As you settle into this moment, allow yourself to feel the support of the ground beneath you. Notice how your body connects with the surface, providing a sense of stability and grounding. Take a moment to adjust your posture, ensuring that your spine is straight but not rigid, allowing for a natural and relaxed alignment. Now bring your attention to your breath. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils, travels down your throat, and fills your lungs. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each inhale and exhale. There is no need to change your breathing. Simply observe it as it is, allowing it to flow naturally and effortlessly. As you continue to breathe, imagine that with each inhale, you are drawing in a sense of calm and relaxation. With each exhale, let go of any tension or stress that you may be holding on to. Visualize this process as a gentle wave, washing over you and carrying away any worries or distractions. Take a moment to scan your body from head to toe. Start at the top of your head and slowly move down, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As you become aware of these areas, imagine sending your breath to them, allowing the breath to soften and release any tightness. Continue this process, moving down through your face, neck, shoulders, arms, chest, back, abdomen, hips, legs, and feet. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed and at ease. Now bring your attention to your mind. Notice any thoughts that may be passing through without judgment or attachment. Imagine that your mind is like a clear blue sky and your thoughts are like clouds drifting by. Allow them to come and go without getting caught up in them. If you find yourself becoming distracted, gently bring your focus back to your breath. As you continue to sit in this comfortable position, allow yourself to simply be. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Just be present in this moment with your breath in your body. Allow yourself to experience a sense of peace and tranquility. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember, you can return to this place of comfort and peace whenever you need to. It is always within you, waiting to be accessed. And out. Feel the rhythm of your breath as it grounds you in this present moment. Let go of any tension and allow your body to relax. Now take a deep breath and find a comfortable position, whether you are sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and allow yourself to relax. Feel the tension in your body begin to melt away as you focus on the sound of your breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, invigorating air, and exhale slowly, releasing any stress or worries you may be holding on to. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, let your mind become calm and centered. Imagine yourself in a place of peace and tranquility, perhaps a serene beach at sunrise, a tranquil garden filled with vibrant flowers, or a peaceful waterfall cascading gently into a clear pool. Allow the sights, sounds, and sensations of this place to envelop you, bringing a sense of calm and serenity to your entire being. Now repeat these affirmations silently or out loud, allowing them to fill your mind and heart with joy. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams. I am strong, resilient, and confident. I am surrounded by positive energy and supportive people. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. I am open to new opportunities and experiences. I am deserving of success and prosperity. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. I am constantly growing and evolving. I am a source of inspiration and positivity for others. I am living my life with purpose and intention. I am grateful for the present moment and all it has to offer. I am free from fear and doubt. I am embracing my true self and living authentically. I am attracting love, joy, and abundance into my life. I am confident in my abilities and trust in my journey. I am surrounded by beauty and goodness. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I am worthy of all the good things that come my way. I am a beacon of light and love. I am creating a life filled with joy and fulfillment. I am grateful for the lessons and experiences that shape me. I am open to receiving all the blessings the universe has to offer. I am living a life of balance and harmony. I am proud of who I am and all that I have accomplished. I am deserving of rest and relaxation. I am in tune with my inner wisdom and intuition. I am a magnet for positive experiences and opportunities. I am grateful for the love and support of those around me. I am at peace with my body and treat it with kindness and respect. I am worthy of taking up space and being heard. I am a unique and valuable individual. I am capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way. I am deserving of happiness and fulfillment. I am grateful for the beauty and wonder of the world around me. I am living my life with passion and purpose. I am open to giving and receiving love. I am a powerful creator of my own reality. I am at peace with who I am and where I am in my journey. I am grateful for the present moment and all it has to offer. As you repeat these affirmations, feel their positive energy infusing every cell of your body. Allow the words to resonate deeply within you, reinforcing your sense of self-worth and inner strength. Know that you have the power to create the life you desire, and that you are deserving of all the love, joy, and abundance the universe has to offer. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of peace and positivity with you throughout your day. Feel these words resonate within you, radiating peace and contentment. Whenever you face challenges, remember happiness is within you, always accessible. You have the power to choose joy. Now take another deep breath in and out. Slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace and happiness into the rest of your day. As you sit here, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your breath, allow yourself to fully embrace this moment of tranquility. Notice how your body feels, the way your chest expands with each inhale and contracts with each exhale. This simple act of breathing, something we often take for granted, is a powerful tool for grounding ourselves and finding inner calm. Imagine that with each breath in, you are drawing in positive energy, filling your body with light and warmth. And with each breath out, you are releasing any tension, stress, or negativity that you may be holding on to. Visualize this exchange of energy and feel the sense of renewal and clarity that comes with it. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness around you. Listen to the sounds of nature, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, or perhaps the gentle hum of the world outside. These sounds are a reminder of the beauty and harmony that exist in the world, even amidst the chaos of daily life. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to your heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your heartbeat, a constant and reassuring presence within you. This heartbeat is a symbol of your life force, your resilience, and your capacity for love and compassion. Allow yourself to connect with this inner strength, knowing that it is always there to support you. Now, think about the things in your life that bring you joy and gratitude. It could be the love of family and friends, the beauty of nature, or the simple pleasures of everyday life. Let these thoughts fill your mind and heart, creating a sense of warmth and contentment. Consider how you can carry this sense of peace and gratitude with you as you go about your day. Perhaps you can take a few moments throughout the day to pause and take a deep breath, reconnecting with this feeling of calm. Or maybe you can find small ways to express your gratitude, whether it's through a kind word, a thoughtful gesture, or simply taking the time to appreciate the little things. Remember that this sense of peace and happiness is always within you, waiting to be tapped into. No matter what challenges or stresses you may face, you have the power to return to this state of calm and clarity. It is a gift that you can give yourself anytime and anywhere. As you slowly open your eyes, take a moment to notice how you feel. Perhaps you feel more relaxed, more centered, or more at ease. Carry this feeling with you and let it guide you through the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, for prioritizing your well-being and nurturing your inner peace. Remember that you are deserving of this care and attention, and that by taking care of yourself, you are better able to care for others and navigate the world with grace and compassion. May you carry this sense of peace and happiness with you, not just today, but every day. And may you find moments of stillness and tranquility, even in the midst of life's busyness. Take one last deep breath in and out. Embrace the day ahead with a calm mind and an open heart. Thank you for joining this happiness meditation. Have a joyful and fulfilling day. Click the link in the description below to reach a new level of happiness and peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.